Welcome, dear students. Those who wish to qualify their law paper with ease, this is for you. We are going to launch a 45 days comprehensive plan for you to succeed in the law paper in the very first attempt. I understand that it seems like a goal cannot be achieved, but I assure you, if you follow the guidelines that I'm going to provide you in this video and later throughout the course, you will be able to succeed with flying colors. The 45 days roadmap is equally good for students who are working as well as those who are appearing as a regular student. I have divided this whole 45 days into 5 phases, 3 of which are related to your course coverage and 2 of which are related to mega practice. I'll take you through the overview of this. Basically, there are 6 pillars of the course that you have to understand. First, we are going to focus on the conceptual foundations, and with that we will have the lecture integrated learning. You will watch the video lectures and you will understand the basic concepts, the key tips, tricks, and how the examiner tests different types of areas, different key concepts in law, and how to attempt those. The idea of this course is spaced revision. It's not just bombarding you with the concepts, it is testing along the way. With that, we have exam readiness. You will have 2 hours full mock examination at the end to make you practice and be ready for the exam. Importantly, with that, during the lectures, we will be going through different practical examples as well, so that you understand how the concepts work in real life. But the most important part will be in the self-learning mode, will be your error analysis. You should be able to dig out what went wrong, and I will also be guiding you on that as well. So, as I told, this is equally good for both full-time students and the working professionals who want to qualify ACCA. 3 to 4 hours per day is advised for the full-time students, whereas the working students should have about 1.5 to 2 hours per day. And on the weekdays, they can cover up the remaining portion with 4 to 5 hours of work. All right, let me quickly take you to the phases. So in the first phase, that will be from day 1 to 12, you will be studying the basic areas from starting of the English legal system, sources of law, contract, that is the law of obligation, its breach and remedies. And after that, you will have a summary, and with that, you will have your first progress test. In this phase 2, we will continue with the obligations that is stored, but we will study further in organization, that is employment law, agency law, and partnership law. At the end of this, again, you will have your test number 2 to attempt. Remember, this is very, very important. Just learning concepts is not going to get you through the paper. In the final step, we will be going to the most comprehensive area of our syllabus, that is the company law. We will study the corporate machine, how it works, what are the rules, laws there. And again, in the end, you will have a detailed test devised based on this section of the course. Now, the story doesn't end here. By this time, you would have completed all your lectures or your video completions, but with that, you will have to have further exam practice to get ready. So in phase 4, you will have a quick revision, intensive MTQ practice based on the BPP kit, and after that you will have your first mock examination. Remember, this should be in exam setting. You will mark your time and study it, apply it, and after that you will have to drill out what were the mistakes and how could you solve those mistakes. And then the final sprint would be the final phase. Again, you will have another mock number 2 with review, and with that you would have completed your course, and you would be ready to my experience, you would be ready by then for your final examination. But with a day or two in hand with us, you could have a quick sprint, and you could have a quick revision of the main topics you think you left behind, or you were not very, very quick with. On exam day, remember, there's no negative marking, so you have to be very, very ready. And you have this thing that, see, don't leave any question behind. Just attempt all of the questions. But I assure you, you will not have to give a fluke. You will, with our practice, you will be fully ready. Remember, this is throughout your course. This is to be the cycle. Identify the issues where you went wrong in the tests, in the mocks. Understand the reason why was that wrong. What mistake did you do, and in the end, what is the remedy? And we will be supporting you along the way for the whole area. So let's get on to it. Let's see you in the course. Thank you very much. Take care.